Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our social science class. Today, let's start a new lesson, the land of hot suns. What do you mean by the land of hot suns? Yes, the desert areas. Okay, let's start. What is deserts? Deserts are large, dry areas of land with little vegetation. Okay, then deserts are large, dry areas of land with little vegetation. Deserts bring to mind vast stretches of large, wavy sandhills called sand dunes. Okay, then what is sand dunes? Large, wavy sandhills are called sand dunes. Deserts region receive scanty or no rainfall. The animals and plant life found here is adapted to the harsh and difficult weather conditions. The weather in these regions are harsh and difficult. Okay. Next, the location of deserts. Deserts occupy about one third of the Earth's land surface area. We find deserts in every continent. There are basically two types of deserts, hot deserts and cold deserts. Okay, there are two types of deserts, which are they? Hot desert and cold desert. Hot deserts, which lie near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, and cold desert, which lie in the temperate zone or near the polar regions. Sahara Desert in North Africa, Kalahari Desert in South Africa, Thar Desert in South Asia are the examples of tropical or hot deserts. The Gobi Desert in Mongolia and Ladakh in India are the examples of cold deserts. Okay, next let's study about Saudi Arabia. I think all of you heard about Saudi Arabia. It is the land of golden sand or great desert land. Okay, Saudi Arabia, a desert country, one of the richest Arab countries in the world today. Saudi Arabia is a large country situated in the Arabian Desert, with the Red Sea to its west and the Persian Gulf to its east. It occupies almost three-fourths of the Arabian Peninsula, which is the largest peninsula in the world. Then peninsula means the three sides are covered by water is called a peninsula. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Okay, then the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Next is the land surface of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, more of a high rocky plateau covered by desert and semi-desert areas. There are hills and mountains on the western coast, while the east is relatively lowland. Hence, the land slopes from west to east. There are no lakes or rivers in Saudi Arabia. Okay, the country gets supply of water from the scanty rainfall. It receives from groundwater, which forms fertile areas called oases. Okay, then what is oasis? Oasis is an underground water pool. Oases provide habitat for people and animals because it is a fertile area. Al Asha in Saudi Arabia is largest oasis. A lot of settlements and markets are here. There are wide gullies. Gully means a long, narrow valley with steep sides made by fast flowing water stream or wadis. Okay, gullies and wadis are small valleys and it is filled up during occasional rains. Next, the climate in this region. Deserts heat up rapidly during the day and cool down very fast in the night. Saudi Arabia, being a desert country, has an extreme climate. It is hot and dry with low humidity. The country receives poor rainfall and it is mostly bright and hot throughout the year. Summers are extremely hot with temperature scoring 52 degrees Celsius in some parts. The nights are even colder during winter. The coastal areas remain humid for most part of the year. Okay, Okay, students, I hope you understood this topic. What are the points we studied in this class? Yes, the deserts, the great desert land Saudi Arabia and its land surface and climatic conditions. Okay, you have to read this portion thoroughly. Okay, thank you.